this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Unsplash to create a mood board and share it with me for your project. So Unsplash is the photo provider that's linked in with Squarespace, and it usually has the best photos for me to choose from as well. So this is sort of where I recommend coming in and creating somewhat of a mood board of images that you like. It gives me a really good idea of what you're going for the website, so it's really helpful. The more work you can go in, you can do on this side of things and giving me a really good briefing, the closer I can get to what you want on your website when I do it, and the less revisions that will be needed. So unsplash.com is the website, and you'll be navigated to this front page here. So you're going to be placing in keywords of things that you're sort of looking for. So if it's, say, woman on a mountain, you type that in, keeping in mind what your brand colorings are. Obviously, if most of your brand colorings are green and brown, don't go and choose something that is primarily like red, like with this backpack here. You would go more for something like this. Just also keeping in mind that anything with this plus logo is the paid version of Unsplash, so you would need a paid license for me to use this image. If you're wanting to only have a look at free ones, just click up here into license and just say free, and that way you're not tempted by others that aren't free. So to add it to your collection or start a new collection, you click the plus button here and say create collection, and you can just say website photos. You don't need a description if you don't want, and then say create collection. So now every time you click the plus button, you can find that collection that you've made, and then say if you're wanting photos of food, same sort of thing. There it is there. And then just go through and just type in keywords of what you're sort of wanting, basically. So you can have a look at other people's collections. If you work with kids, you could type in kids. If you are working in clothing, you could type in clothing or models. Sometimes if you're wanting to convey like a feeling, like happy woman, and then obviously anxious, same sort of thing. Just using those keywords to add any photos to the collection. Now that you've got your collection, you're welcome to share it with me. To do that, click up here into your profile. So you will have had to have made an account for this first. So go view profile and you'll see your collections here. Here you'll see that I have a range of collections. To share the collection, click into it, and then up here say share, and you can email it to me or copy the link and send it to an email. So that is how you create a collection. If you're wanting to view my profile and the collections that I have, I think you can do a search just for my name, and you can come in here and see what images that I've liked or the collections that I've made for different colours or subjects. I hope this tutorial is helpful, and I look forward to having a look at your mood board.